Good morning, all the students of fourth standard, and here we are learning eighth lesson of our history, that is defeat of internal enemies. This lesson we are learning page number 29. By use of forces, the Mawal of the um, Mawalas of 12 of the 12 Mawalas, uh, they gathered around the Shivaji Maharaj, ready to do his binding, whatever his subjects were there related with the Shivaji Maharaj, whatever his promises, ready to follow their promises toward the Shivaji Maharaj. They they were ready. They lived for Swaraj and were willing to die for it. And all the Mavadas, they lived for the Swaraj and they were willingly they were ready uh, to die for the Swaraj here. And along with that, they were simple Maratha folk. That means all these peoples were simple Marathi people from the Maharashtra. So they were the simple Maratha folk. They loved Shivaji more than their life, and all these Mawal people or all these Mawal, they loved Shivaji more than their life. What the show, the common people life is there. They loved Shivaji Maharaj more than their life there. But some people were jealous of Shivaji's achievement. But also it is simple that when we are living in a society at that time, some people they jealous about our achievement, they jealous about our work. So in the same way, some people in Maharashtra in those days also, some people they jealous about Shivaji Maharaj and they jealous about Shivaji's achievement. He had to bring such a peoples to book, and Shivaji Maharaj has to bring such a people in their sense. He has to bring them in their sense there. Kanoji and Baji Gorpade were two Sardar in the services of Adil Shah. Kanoji and Baji Gorpade, these were the two Sardar in the services of Adil Shah. Means these two Sardars were serving, working for the Adil Shah there, Kanoji and Baji Gorpade. The Shah incited them against the Shivaji Maharaj, and Adil Shah used them. He sent them against the Shivaji Maharaj. They created a lot of trouble in the Kondana district, but Shivaji was more than a match for them. So these two people, Kanoji and Baji Garpade, these two people, they created a lot of trouble for the Swaraj and for the Shivaji Maharaj in the Kondana district. But Shivaji Maharaj, he was more than their power, their capability. He was more ability. I mean, he was more skilled and good in war tactics, politics than them. He defeated and drove them out. So to Baji Gorpade and Kanuji, to both of them, Shivaji Maharaj he defeated and he drove away from them. He sent away from the Kondana region there. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar of Paltan was Shivaji's own brother-in-law. Bajaji Naik Nimbalkar, he was Shivaji's own brother-in-law there, in relation only there. So he was belonging from the Paltan regions, and he was his own brother-in-law. But Shivaji Maharaj had to fight many battles against him. But however, means, if he was from his family brother-in-law, but then also he had to fight against him many battles. He has to fight against his own family members, against his own brother-in-law also there. However, later on, member of this family stood by Shivaji Maharaj's side there. But after some time, what happened? Member from Shivaji Maharaj family or member from the Fulton Bajajanais Nimbalkar families, members from the Nimbalkar family also, they stood, they stand from the Shivaji Maharaj side when they realized the achievement and the work of the Shivaji Maharaj and why he was working. When they realized that time, what they stood means they stand from, they took the Shivaji Maharaj side of the position. So this was the situations there. Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, a near relative of the Shivaji Maharaj. Sambhaji Mohite from the Supe regions, they were means a relative of the Shivaji, also started plotting against the Shivaji Maharaj. His relatives also they started to plot to make a conspiracy planning against Shivaji Maharaj. There they started the making plannings. They started to make a planning against Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj arrested him at Supe and banished him from, to Karnataka. So Shivaji Maharaj he arrested them. He arrested to do Sambhaji Mohite of Supe, and after arresting, banished him and sent him toward the Karnataka there. So with the Shivaji's duty come first and the relatives afterward. So with his achievement, which is the work and his political skills, administrations, we can realize that for Shivaji Maharaj, work is first, administration is first, Swaraj is first, and the relatives they are afterward. So he gave the more importance for his subjects. So next point, Chandrarao More of Zawadi. Chandrarao More of Zawadi there. The greatness of Shivaji's achievement was recognized and applauded everywhere. That what is the greatness of the Shivaji Maharaj? That uh, the great Shivaji what the achievements are there. That achievement should be uh, accepted everywhere. That he captivated the heart of his people. That by his achievement, by his work, his behavior, he captured. Means he was ruling on the people's heart there. Some people did not like this, but then also, however, in the Maharashtra at that time also, in the previous paragraph also, we have seen some people they did not like this. They looked upon Shivaji as a mole in their eyes, in the eye. That means something is stuck in our eye. If something went in our eyes, it pluck and stuck in that, what will happen? It pain too much there. So like same way for the Shivaji Maharaj also. Means some people they think about Shivaji Maharaj that Shivaji is a mole here, mole in their eye. The Mores of Zawadi was such a person who did not like Shivaji. The Mores was the Jagirdar of Zawadi, and More they were belonging from the Zawadi region, and at the time they were the Jagirdar of the Zawadi region in a Satara district. It is this area was fully covered with thick forest. The Jagir which extended from Raigad to the Koyna Valley, and the Mores Jagir Zawadi region is extended from the so Raigad toward the Koyna Valley there, along with the title Chandar Rao was confirmed upon him by Adil Shah, and Adil Shah also confirmed title on him as a Chandar Rao. This title he received from Adil Shah for in the Zawadi region. So Zawadi was covered with such a thick forest that every even during the daylight, sun rays hardly pretended it. And the Zawadi region was this much, it was deeply covered with a thick forest that during the daytime also hardly sunlight reach up to the ground. So that much deep forest region was there. It was there at that time. It was full of wildlife, and obviously forest region is there means a wildlife also more there. Tigers, wolves, bears roam freely in the uh, Zawadi forest there. So Mores of Zawadi was thus like a tiger's head out there. So in this way, the Mores of Zawadi they look like that tigers head out from that regions. No one therefore crossed the Mores path. So no one had a darings to go to cross or to go against the Mores of Zawadi there. So only Shivaji had the courage to do so. At that time, only Shivaji Maharaj he had the courage to do so. That he had that much courage. He gathered that courage. He had the powers. He went against the Zawdis of Mores there. So what we will do today, we will stop here, and when we will come tomorrow, then tomorrow we will see the next point. Okay, thank you very much. Along with this, I will send some photos of workbook, previous workbook that you see and complete. So board is not here, so I have to write. So what I will do, directly I will capture the photo, and I will send the photos you see and write the question answers in your notebook. Okay.